warm. They're heavy on the electrics, but did you know that?
Very quick notice, we have a small 3-year-old boy who's so frightened and he's at the Arcadia, so found at the Arcadia, now here at the commentary point. If you've lost a 3-year-old, then please come to him. If you haven't got a 3-year-old with an identity bracelet, which we've got loads of them here, we wouldn't have this problem, would we? Okay, let's tell you a little bit about the team. The first pilot, flying Blade 1, will be Mark Cutmore, ex-Jaguar pilot, who joined the team in 2008. Originally he was the solo display pilot, taking over as Blade 1 at the start of 2012. Chris Carter, sharing that slot with Miles Garland and Andy Offer. Chris was a Jaguar pilot in the RAF and also flies the Virgin Atlantic. Blade 3 is Smithy, the newest member of the team, joined at the start of 2003, and his last job in the RAF was as officer commanding Lambert British Line. Andy Evans is Blade 4, the solo display pilot, and he flew the Jaguar in the Royal Air Force and is one of the founding members of the team's Blade. They are an aerobatic airline, so you can buy a seat in the Blade if you want. You can contact them at their base, which is at Sywell in Northamptonshire, and all you have to do is put the Blade search finder on your web, on your computer, and get out with the Blade and a flight with them. They're able to supply that for you. At the end now, display.